Hello everyone and welcome back to Hot Ticket. I'm Kevin Hornsby for Cox 11. You know, your kids are involved with computers, with video games, and it's not all just fun and games. Sometimes they could make a career out of it. Virginia Beach City Public Schools are helping that initiative with a robotics challenge. And here to tell us about that is a former host of this show, Stephanie Sutton. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me here today. I'm so excited to be here to talk about this.
It is great to have you back. You always did a great job on this show.
Thank you.
You're here today to talk about something that's not only fun for kids, it's competitive, and it's a learning experience.
Yes, this year at Virginia Beach City Public Schools, we are having our 5th annual STEM Robotics Challenge. It's on May 31st at the Virginia Beach Convention Center, and it has just taken a huge turn. It's gotten more involved. We have over 50 schools involved this year, and it is just an amazing opportunity for the students to get involved with STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math.
So, as we said, you always see them playing with an iPod or something with a computer and different things. But they're actually learning skills that can help them as they go forward in life.
Exactly. You know, I know sometimes the parents are at home, they get upset with their kids are playing their PlayStations and their Xboxes, but we are actually teaching your kid how to program a PlayStation 2 controller to control a robot. So they're going to be soldering, they're programming circuit boards, they're building their chassis, they're building this from the ground up to compete in the competition. These students from 5th grade to 12th grade have been working since September to build their robots. So they're building grippers and scoopers, and everything is handmade from the ground up.
So this is a school year-long event pretty much, and they're documenting this how?
Yes, it is a school year-long event. It happens after school at the elementary through high school level.
Right.
And the best part about it is that Virginia Beach is using their 21st century skills to get these kids involved in this.
Right.
They are doing an e-portfolio, which chronicles their whole SRC experience. So they're going to not only put journal entries in there, but they're putting pictures, prototypes, and everything that kind of transforms and shows their involvement throughout the SRC. So the e-portfolio is also a part of their STEM robotics grade. So when they get to the competition, they're already going to have a score on the board that shows what their e-portfolio score is.
Okay, and having this at the convention center, you mentioned 50 schools. It was 24 just recently.
Right.
How many students are going to be there?
Oh my gosh. I think I've lost count by now, but I think we have over 700 students involved.
Okay.
It is huge. Last year, like you said, we had 24 schools. This year, we've gone to 50 schools. We've rented 2 halls of the convention center. So yes, we have over 700 students. We'll have about 1,000 people there. We're going to have volunteers. We'll have judges. We're going to have our local military out there, a lot of business leaders. Everybody's going to be there.
Now, do you need judges to come out and be a part of this?
We do. We are looking for additional judges. If you are interested in being a judge, they can email me at stephanie.sutton@vbschools.com.
Okay.
And that will actually help us on the day of the competition, so you don't have to worry about if you don't know how to be a judge. We're going to send you a video, so it'll tell you all the details on how to be a judge.
Now, a number of sitcoms, Shameless, the series on Showtime. I've seen these robotics competitions where they go against each other and do different things. You can come out and see this in person. Tell me about what the theme this year is. I'm so excited about this year's theme. Our whole school division is so excited because it plays on something that's big to Hampton Roads, which is the beach. Yes.
This year's theme is Clean the Beach, which goes along with one of our 21st century skills of sustainability.
Okay.
So the students are going to have to use their robot to clean the beach. So each table will be set up like a beach. We're going to have mock sand. There will be items of waste, hazmat, valuables, and everything buried in the sand. And the students will have to pick up these items out of the sand with their robot and put it into a bin for point value. We'll have 3 rounds initially. Then we'll have a semifinal round and then a final round. And whoever wins will take home the big prize.
Okay, and how involved or excited, I guess, are the families of these kids? Because this is a passion they must be sharing.
I would say some of the parents are more competitive than the students. You have parents there cheering and yelling and, you know, really getting into it with the students. I mean, and a lot of the parents too, we definitely have to thank the parents because a lot of them are mentors as well. So they stay after school and help the students and they really get involved. So the parental support, the administrative support, our superintendent, everyone who supports in our Office of Technical Career Education everybody's so supportive in Virginia Beach.
Well, as your friend in the digital age, Cox is excited about this. And Stephanie, I want to thank you for coming back.
Thank you so much.
And bringing this information
Thank you. We hope to see you there on May 31st.
And you come out to the Virginia Beach Convention Center on the 31st and see these kids go wild and those robots in that competition. For Cox 11, I'm Kevin Hornsby.